this particular stance is very popular, very famous, very symbolic of the Lucknow Gharana. The way to hold this is stretch your arm diagonally and break it here. Look in the direction parallel to your hand. This hand right above your head, tilt the palm and look in that direction so that your face, your sight, your nose is parallel to your wrist, right above your wrist. That's the position on your right. Same thing on your left. Do not stretch or extend. The minute you do that, the alignment of your body will be destroyed. Let the natural curves of your own body align with the posture that you're taking in Kathak. In Kathak, you're allowed to have your own style simply because every body's body, every skeleton is slightly different. Your DNA composition will give you the ease at which your own particular movement will perhaps look the best. And you, as a dancer in front of a mirror, are a good judge what aesthetically looks best on your body. So it could be this for someone, this for someone else, and perhaps this for somebody else. These subtle, slight differences are very much appreciated in every person's style. So this was Ahmad. Remember, before you start an Ahmad, your body axis, your central axis has to be rooted. You have to be sternly rooted to the ground and then start the movement. In this movement, we used the Law Shikha, how the fire flame goes forward, brings it back, and then this movement is the Law Shikha movement. There's a lot of finger movement, palm movement, and the wrist movement all together. Make little scoops. I used to explain it as you scoop your ice creams. Ice cream scoop movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4. Diagonals have to be maintained, not only diagonally up, but also diagonally down. So if this is the level that you choose, this is where it should be. If this is what you choose, the hand at the back has to correspond to the angle that you're choosing above. Ta the, ta the, ta ta the, a the, ta ta the. With the hand, the chin will also respond. The body will go back so that the gap between your palm and your face starts to extend. Ta the, ta the, ta ta the, a the. The bigger, stronger, stretched you can make your movement, the more graceful it will look. Because obviously you have to create an image that is beyond you, almost like a magician. You know, you work on your movements that are extended to the maximum that you can without looking awkward. Ta the, ta the, ta ta the, a the, ta ta the. Now this movement is again a lasya movement and a very graceful one. This is center. Just stretch your leg on your right and bend in the same. Do not hunch forward or back. Make sure that it's only on your side. The best way to understand this side movement is, imagine yourself between sheets of iron. Right? If you're between sheets of iron, you cannot go forward or back. It's all metallic. So you naturally push on the side and then the other side. Many times I've seen people are lopsided. I do it as well. So it's very natural to get into this bad habit. Make sure you check each other or you check yourself when you're dancing. Law Shikha, then the side movement, samatals. All this has to be extremely balanced because in Ahmads, it's about repeating everything you do from one side to another. Enjoy your Ahmad.